Hey besties, I hope you're having a fantastic day. I've been seeing everywhere this siren makeup look, so let's do this. First things first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna moisturize the face to start it all off. Today I'm gonna use this moisture-rich moisturize, the collagen cream by Monoskin. Also gonna use a brightening serum, the juice boost one, and I'm gonna top this up with the SPF cream because SPF is a must no matter what. This siren eye makeup look, all you want to do is kind of lift your eye and make this part longer. So the best, I think, is to use whatever bronzing powder you use to match it to make it more look like, you know, like it's just going there. Or you can use any brown eyeshadow, but you know what, I'm just gonna use the bronzing powder. I'm gonna start by using the Universal Base Brush by Be Beauty. Just gonna tap some in. So what I'm gonna do, concentrating on the outer eye corner, buffing this very close to my lash line, as you see. And then what's left in the brush, like you're not adding more product, just kinda blend slightly bit to a crease. See this? Like a bit and a crease in here. Next up is the eyeliner. I would highly recommend to go with a brown eyeliner for this look, but it's totally up to you if you want to go with a black one. I don't have a brown eyeliner, hence I'm gonna use the brow pen. I've been using this as an eyeliner a lot and I'm loving it. I'm gonna go like that. Diagonal. Okay, next up, you want to get yourself a dense brush. This one is Precision Shadow Brush by BU Beauty. As you see, it's smaller and dense here. And then a darker brown eyeshadow color. So I'm going to go with the Ciara Alma Woman palette and then this shade. What you want to do with this is tap directly on the top of this liner that you just applied. First of all, it's going to set your eyeliner, so it's not going to move. If you have oily skin and hooded eyes like I do, you will know the problem. And then just, yeah, set it up, and we're kind of gonna create this shape right now. Coming back to the fluffier brush, one I used before, and I'm just gonna blend this upward. I'm not going down on anything, upward. Does that make sense? So your eyeliner now is not as harsh. Your whole eye looks lifted. A little bit of a shimmer just because I like it from this Goddess Glow Shimmer Block by Revolution. I'm gonna go just with the shade and Face Blend by Be Beauty. This is obviously skippable. I'm using a fluffy brush rather than a flat one just because I want like just a gentle touch of it. See, like a nice shimmer going through. I use the Pacifica Vegan Collagen Lash Serum Primer first. Totally skippable part, obviously. For mascara, I'm gonna use the Ilia Limitless Lash Lift, Length and Curl Shea Butter Argan Oil Mascara. Alright, next up is totally skippable, but I'm gonna go for that. It's the false lashes. I'm gonna use the Elsie Balesa. That's my friend's brand, by the way. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut it in half and use only outer corner, like through here. So I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut it in half. Okay, just like that. Okay, eyes are nearly done. We're gonna do inner eye corner in a second, but first let's do face. Here's a primer. This one is by Ciara. I've been loving it. Gonna go all over my face quickly. Then we're just gonna go like nice and dewy and kind of natural looking one because we're putting attention on the eyes. I mean, we're still gonna contour now. Okay, primer is on. This is fast. For my foundation, I'm gonna go with my current favorite in a tinted moisturizer foundation SPF 30 in 615. Just gonna use a few pumps. I'm gonna apply with my fingers and then press it in with a flathead foundation brush by Be Beauty. Apply as a moisturizer first. Don't worry, the coverage will be there. I mean, it's very light coverage, but you'll see it's in there. Taking a flathead foundation brush by Be Beauty to press this all in. Pressing, not buffing. concealer, Ilia one. Just like this. Little over the nose. Around the nose. And to sculpt the cheeks. Going on the flat foundation brush. Pressing, not buffing. I forgot to mention, when I was applying concealer, you see I did the line in here, and then I wasn't kind of moving this line, I was just pressing in upwards, so this concealer line kind of lifts the eye even more. Do you guys see what I mean? It just goes like even more upwards. Okay, next thing is a bit of a cream contour. This time I'm gonna use this NYX Wonder Stick. It's been loved a lot, as you can tell. Like, I nearly finished it. Just gonna go in here. I really like that it has this cool shade. See, kind of melting in the skin. I'm just gonna leave it for a second to melt a bit more into my skin before blending it. On the nose. Not going all the way through because that's moving in the product. And a bit on the lips. I'm gonna contour lips. Once again, flathead foundation brush. Pressing, not buffing. Upwards. Okay. Blush. Using this blush today in Tequila Sunset. The hand first. Once again, dotting upwards, not in here. I have foundation brush. Pressing in. Let's set this up. Just gonna go in my T-zone. My skin is better than naturally. Look at this. Shine disappear, and appearance of pores and fine lines. Look at that, look at that. I mean, okay, look under the eyes now. Look at the magic up here. See the difference? I'm telling you, this brush is literally the best for that. It's like my pores from this part disappeared. See this? I'm gonna do a tiny nose contour. I'm gonna use the Precision Contour Brush by Be Beauty for this, and the Sculpting Bronzer, the same we used before for the eyes. Just taking some of the brush. Okay, and I'm gonna use the same contour powder to contour cheeks just a tiny bit. I mean, we already have contour. I'm using the contour brush by Be Beauty for this. Alright, some highlighter. This one is by Siren, the cream one. Just gonna go a bit on the hand first. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go with the highlighter brush. This one is by Be Beauty. That's my brand for those who don't know. Take some of the brush. Going back to my Lift and Snatch eyebrow pen, I'm just cleaning off any excess from the eyeshadow that we may have on the tip. I'm gonna go like downwards in the eye corner. Just like that. Just like this, like very subtle. And then the lower lash line, I'm not doing anything whatsoever. I don't want to draw attention to this. I want this to go like that. That's it. Lips, and we're done. I'm just gonna go for nude lip liner and lip gloss combo. This one is by Mina in 503. And we're done. What do you guys think? Yeah guys, what do you think of this finished look? I just looked into the dress because I felt like this makeup calls for it. What do you think? I'm thinking to wear this dress by way of my birthday. My birthday is coming up soon, it's 14th of August. So this might be the look with the makeup on and all. What do you guys think? Would that match? The dress is long actually. I'm gonna show you. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? Yeah, the dress is actually like midi kinda. Yeah, I might wear this on my birthday. I'm not sure yet. Does it look good with this makeup? I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and you found this helpful. This siren eye makeup look is so easy to create, as you've seen, and it doesn't matter if you have hooded eyes, like any shape eyes, you still can do it. Like if I can do this on my hooded eyes, so do you, right? What do you guys think about this glass skin? This is actually my go-to for a while now. I've been really loving it. I think it's actually perfect for summertime because it just looks so fresh and so dewy, you know? Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. If you enjoyed watching this video, as always, please don't forget to press the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more. I feel like I'm always saying this, but it's just so important and gonna help me majorly. And it's free, so yeah, and it doesn't hurt. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye! Ciao for now!